Hi, this is Jackie. Herein, I'm going to show you how to use Wisen alarm system. Wisen is a Wi-Fi and GSM alarm system for home security. Begin to operate the system, making sure you have installed the Wisen app in your smartphone. Then you can do the operation. This is a Wisen alarm panel. I'm gonna turn it on. Then you can run the Wisen app on your smartphone to configure it. And just check Wisen. Add Wi-Fi configuration. Next. In this step, you need to input the Wi-Fi password. And making sure the Wi-Fi password is correct. Now I need to press the Wi-Fi button on the rear panel. When you hear a beep sound, you can release the button. Then press connect. Right now the app is communicating with the alarm panel. Now the app shows me it's done. So click down and click home. Now the device has been successfully added to the Wisen app. Click it. Or forget. So you can, okay, here, this here. Home arm and disarm. Away arm. Check it. Now I'm going to test it. I'm going to test the door magnetic sensor. Trick the sensor. Alarm. So you will receive the alarm message. Click it. Let's go to check. So alarm summit. Okay, that's all.